Another beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day to be a neighbor. Well, another day, another video. And I'm getting ready to patch this stucco. It's time now. I've got all of this secured and everything caulked in. And I guess I better get started. I'm going to use my dry vit again. Dry vit, Mojave based, and it's paint and it's got the sand in it all together. And I've made another patch right in there, and that turned out really good. And we're going to see if we can't do just as good of a patch over there. But before we do that, this is day 3 of our water test. Still there. Looks like it's receded a little bit, but I don't know. I'm thinking that it's receded because it's evaporating. I don't think it's sinking down below that into the bucket. I won't know that until we pull that off after 7 days. We're doing a 7-day test to see how well that Tyvek is going to hold water. Okay? And yeah, 3 nights. This is the start of the 4th day for that water test. And I think what I want to do here is this stuff's going to get on the floor probably, but I think I want to just put that down. Kind of protect the floor a little bit. I mean, it wouldn't hurt if it does get on the floor because I can wipe it off, you know, but this will just kind of help somewhat. Ooh! This is heavy willikers. Good Lord. Where am I going to put this? Okay, I'm going to try to keep it out of the way, because I'm trying to figure out how best to set you up so you can see this, because I'm caught right in the corner here. Come on. Okay, there you go. Boy, I gotta go around this thing twice to get it off. Jeez. That's all right. I'm glad I got the lid on there nice and tight, because that way this stuff won't dry out. If that lid doesn't stay on there, could possibly dry out. We don't want that. I want that stuff to last for quite some time. See that? Look at that. It's been sitting in here for I don't know how many years. It still looks mighty fine, if you ask me. It really has acrylic paint in it, and it sticks rather nicely once you put it on. And let's see how I'm gonna set you up. I think I'm gonna get you over here. In fact, I'm going to lower the tripod down even lower. Lots of times I'll do that without or shutting the camera off first and stuff, but I'm not going to do that this time. I want you to see what I'm seeing right down here. Guess I need to get you off the cardboard. In fact, you know what? I'm going to set this cardboard up a little bit different so I can get you closer in here, I think. Maybe I can fold this. Hold this under. That's not going to work. Okay. That's just going to have to do. That's just going to have to do, I guess. I've just got my putty knife. I think I'm going to try to keep that patch material out of the sun. See, I can just put it on. Put it on like that. That looks pretty good right there. Jeez. This stuff has some little fiberglass pieces in it, I believe. And it helps dabbity nabbit, getting it all over the place. I'm glad I got this cardboard down after all. I thought I was going to be really clean about this. I wasn't quite sure how I was going to put it on with the paint roller or what I was going to do. This seems to be working. I can only put on so much before it wants to slide off, it looks like. But actually it doesn't look half bad, does it? Better to have it just a hair low, that way as that dries and hardens up I can put maybe a little bit more on top of it, I think. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Start at the top and work my way down, I guess. This stuff is kind of runny, and you would think it wouldn't stick very well, but it's got something in it that makes it just want to bond pretty good. Once you get it up there. Once you get it up there. There's so much I can put on in one go with this knife. I have a 3-inch putty knife. I could have used that. I'm doing pretty good this way. Right where the transition is, you want to kind of get that knocked down. Well, maybe I should try the bigger, let's try the wider putty knife maybe. Maybe I could try that. See what becomes of that. My 3-inch. Let's see how well that works. That might work actually a little better, huh? Or I can start at the bottom and pull it up. Maybe. Just gonna have to kind of watch it a little bit because I can see it kind of wanting to sag on me. But as it dries, I can pull up on it some more. Just gonna get it to the corner there. I remember when I had that last concrete paver in here, it was kind of tight. And so I don't want the bottom, anything I can have the bottom pushed in a little bit rather than out. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of let that dry a little bit in the sun so I can go back and kind of mess with it some more. My paintbrush. My $2 throwaway paintbrush I still have. So I want to try to get rid of that line. Any little bit as it dries and you have a line, and you'll see exactly where your patch is. I don't want that, do we? No sirree, bub. See how that just made that go right away, didn't it? Am I a professional stucco patch guy? No. And you don't have to be either. Just take your time and kind of see what you got to do to blend things in. I think I'm going to have to see, it's just dragging too much. I could have tried to put that on in 2 small coats, but hey, I still may have to do a little more adding to this once this dries. Just kind of, as I pull it up, it wants to sink back down. But see, this part over here is hardening up. Okay. I think that's all I'm gonna do there for right now. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back, yes, with more videos.